Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hunnibi is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in years, designed to simplify your cooking experience and elevate your culinary creations with its unique features and user-friendly interface, making it an indispensable tool for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs alike who are looking to save time and achieve professional quality results in their own homes. Number 5. Everlasting Comfort 6L Humidifier. Enjoy up to 50 hours of continuous mist from its generous 6-liter tank. It's perfect for keeping your entire home, a large room, or a baby's nursery comfortably humidified. Say goodbye to filter replacements. This humidifier features a wide opening for easy cleaning and maintenance, saving you time and money. Tailor the mist output to your preference and let the 360-degree nozzle distribute moisture evenly throughout any room. It's ideal for plants, your bedside, or your office desk. Experience peaceful rest with its ultra-quiet operation. It creates a serene environment perfect for babies, children, or anyone sensitive to noise, helping with congestion and sinus comfort. Enhance your space with soothing scents. Simply add your favorite essential oils to the dedicated tray and transform your home into a relaxing oasis while improving air quality. This humidifier helps alleviate dry skin, congestion, and allergy symptoms. It provides much-needed moisture for your respiratory system and overall well-being. What we like. This humidifier boasts a massive 6L tank, perfect for keeping large rooms or even your whole house comfortably humid for up to 50 hours. Its filterless design means no ongoing costs and easy cleaning. If you're looking for a hassle-free, long-lasting solution for dry air, especially in a baby's nursery or for your plants, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Hunnibi is a great addition to any kitchen, with its sleek and modern design that complements any decor. This appliance is incredibly versatile, capable of handling a wide range of tasks from chopping vegetables to grinding spices. The Hunnibi features a powerful motor that ensures efficient and quick processing of ingredients, saving you time and effort. Number 4. Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC Drone. Capture stunning, distortion-free images and videos with its 1080p HD camera. View live footage on your phone from a wide-angle lens and easily share your creations online. Focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about control. It hovers steadily at a locked altitude, making it ideal for beginners and ensuring a stable flight. Navigate with ease, especially when it's out of sight. The headless mode keeps the orientation relative to you, simplifying control for a better flying experience. Unlock multiple functions through the app, including voice and gesture controls. You can even instruct it to take photos or videos with simple hand gestures. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with the included 2 modular batteries. Replacing and charging them is simple and safe, allowing for more fun. Add an extra layer of excitement to your flights. This drone is equipped with 3D flip capabilities for dynamic aerial maneuvers. What we like. Capture stunning aerial footage with its 1080p HD camera and wide-angle lens. The intuitive gravity sensor control makes flying a breeze, even for beginners. If you're a beginner drone enthusiast looking for an easy-to-learn, stable flight experience with the added fun of mobile control options, this drone is a fantastic starting point. What people say. The Hunnibi's design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into my kitchen decor. I was impressed by the Hunnibi's quiet operation. It's barely audible even when running at full speed. The Hunnibi's multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different tasks, from gentle mixing to powerful blending. Number 3. Bar 5F Shampoo and Conditioner Bottle Pumps. Introducing the Bar 5F pumps, designed for your salon brand liter bottles. Ensure professional standard durability for your favorite shampoo and conditioner. These pumps are compatible with most 1-liter salon brand bottles featuring a standard 28-410 neck finish. Check our guide to confirm the perfect fit for your bottle. Experience professional pump performance with a 4 cubic centimeters output per stroke, ideal for salon liter dispensing. Their durable construction ensures smooth operation and easy storage. Before ordering, measure your bottle's neck to ensure it's exactly 1 inch across with a 28 mm cap diameter and a 2-thread finish. This guarantees optimal compatibility. When installing, trim the dip tube for a straight reach to avoid restricted flow or pump failure. Proper installation ensures reliable dispensing every time. These pumps work best with liquids that pour easily, such as shampoo, conditioner, soap, and lotion. Avoid thick creams or formulas with particles to prevent clogging. We offer lifetime product support from the USA for any questions regarding compatibility, installation, or dispensing. Contact us for assistance before or after your purchase. What we like. Designed for salon brand liter bottles, this pump offers professional grade dispensing with a 4 cubic centimeters output per stroke. Its durable construction ensures smooth operation and longevity. If you're tired of messy pouring and want a reliable, long-term solution for dispensing shampoo and conditioner from your favorite salon-sized bottles, this is the pump for you. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. It is easy to use and performs its function effectively. Number 2. Zevro Indispensable Dry Food Dispenser GAT201C. Keep your favorite cereals and snacks fresh for up to 45 days. Its dual control design ensures optimal preservation. Enjoy precise portion control with every twist. It dispenses exactly 1 ounce, making serving easy and consistent. This dispenser isn't just for cereal. It's perfect for nuts, candy, granola, and other dry snacks, keeping them sanitary and germ-free. Crafted with scratch-resistant and shatterproof construction, it offers both durability and a sleek white and chrome finish to complement any kitchen. Each canister holds up to 17.5 ounces of dry food, providing ample storage for your household's needs. The total capacity is 35 ounces. With a generous 3-inch opening from the platform, accessing and refilling is simple. Enjoy convenient storage and portion control for all your dry foods. What we like. Keep your dry foods fresh and portioned with ease. This dispenser holds up to 35 ounces and dispenses 1 ounce per twist, preserving freshness for up to 45 days. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage cereal, snacks, or granola, reduce waste, and maintain a tidy pantry, this dispenser is an indispensable addition to your kitchen. What people say. The Hunnibi features a durable construction that has held up well to frequent use. Its innovative design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance, saving time and effort. The product's functionality is impressive, with multiple settings that cater to various needs. Number 1. Norpro Beehive Honey Syrup Dispenser. Tired of sticky messes? With this dispenser, you can say goodbye to wasted honey or syrup. Its clever design ensures every drop is used efficiently. This dispenser isn't just functional, it's beautiful too. Its unique beehive shape adds a touch of charm to any table setting, making it a joy to use. Prevent crystallization and keep your sweetener perfectly soft. Simply fill the base with hot water, and it will keep your honey or syrup fresh and ready to dispense. Serving is a breeze with the handy trigger. Just push the lever to dispense accurately, and release it to create a perfect seal, preventing any messy drips. Crafted from durable glass with a chrome-plated lid and handle, this dispenser is built to last. Serve your favorite sweeteners with elegance and ease. Elevate your dining experience. This elegant dispenser allows for effortless dispensing with its easy-to-use thumb lever, making it a stylish addition to your table. What we like. Serve honey or syrup with elegance and ease. The attractive beehive design is a beautiful addition to any table, and the handy trigger dispenses accurately with no drips. If you appreciate both style and functionality, and want to keep your honey or syrup soft and ready to use without mess, this dispenser is a must-have. What people say. The Hunnibi features a unique design that stands out. Its functionality is impressive, handling tasks with ease. The build quality is solid and feels durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.